Hi, as we all know, at the Y there is a weakness in these master locks, and these videos appeared on YouTube. How easy it is, it shows how easy it is to pick these master locks. And I just want to show you guys at the Y that I can do this using a standard Metro card. So I'm going to pick this master lock card. I'm going to do it while hymning the theme of the ipanema girl. I'll hymn it, I'll sing it, I'll do whatever it takes. So first I have a standard Metro card here, and let's get a close-up look here. Here's a standard Metro card, plastic. There's the standard master lock. This is not one of the cheap ones from the 99 cents, so this is an official master lock, all right? Da, 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 da. First you cut the card as so, the Metro card. Ba, 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 da, ba, 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 ba. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting like a little V-shaped thing in this Metro card. That's the best way I can describe it. A V-shaped. Oh, might have broken a little bit. Alright, so I'll show you exactly what we have here. We have the V-shaped Metro card cut out. We have your standard lock right here, and the weakness is right there in the piston. I'm gonna put this V-shaped thing right in the hole of that piston. All right, and that's how easy it is. It goes into the piston and kind of releases the lock in there, the mechanism or whatever, and the lock pops open. So this is extremely easy to do. For those of you that say I'm aiding and abetting a crime, the video is all over YouTube. The genie's out of the bottle, Pandora's box is open, use whatever allegory you want, I'm not doing anything. The way to fix this is you can put some crazy glue around here or something, or you can buy my kits for $5.95. Actually, I'll give it to you guys for $4.95. Email me at mikerose19@hotmail.com, and I will send you directions. I will email you directions of how to get the kits. If you're not interested in the kit and you're a female and you find my demonstration of singing ipanema girl while opening this lock a little bit sexy in a strange way, you can also email me and ask for a response. That's fine with me also. So we're finished here. Tune in next week as I show you how to rip somebody's boxes off without them even knowing it. And I'll do it while singing, while doing an impersonation of Julio Iglesias. To all the girls I've loved before, who traveled in and out my door, I dedicate this song. I'm glad they came along. To all the girls